Here begins the journey of sugar, starting from the fields at sunrise. The Hev harvester slices the cane cleanly for collection. The operator guides the machine with precision. The blades cut through the cane with powerful force. The billets move through augers for quick collection. Collected cane is loaded directly for transport. The operator ensures the truck is filled evenly. The harvested cane moves toward the mill. Multiple trucks deliver the fresh cane quickly. The cane arrives at a massive processing facility. The raw cane is unloaded into massive receiving hoppers. Heavy claws transfer the cane toward the processing line. The conveyor lifts the cane toward the machinery. Water jets remove soil and impurities from the cane. The cleaned cane moves into the cutting stage. High-speed blades cut the cane into uniform pieces.
The shredder breaks the cane into fibers for juice extraction.
The rollers apply intense pressure to extract juice. The extracted juice is collected for purification.
The leftover fiber, called bagasse, is carried away for reuse.
Additional rollers help extract every drop of juice from the cane. The raw juice is gathered and directed to the purification stage. A first filtration removes fibers and impurities from the juice.
The juice travels through high-pressure lines to the clarifier.
Clarifying agents help separate the impurities from the juice.
The juice is mixed and the foam is removed for clearer processing. In the clarifier, solids separate naturally from the purified juice. Heavy impurities sink to the bottom as thick sediment.
Only purified juice is drawn from the center of the clarifier. Lab checks ensure the juice meets quality standards before evaporation.
Now the purified juice enters the evaporator to begin concentration. High-pressure steam rapidly heats the juice for evaporation. Computer systems monitor every stage of the evaporation cycle.
The water evaporates, leaving a thick, concentrated syrup behind. As water reduces, the juice becomes a dense, colorful syrup.
The concentrated syrup collects in holding tanks for the next stage.
Brix readings confirm the syrup has reached proper concentration.
Heat transforms the juice, creating thick, consistent syrup.
Excess steam is safely released through towering vent stacks.
Agitators blend the syrup evenly before crystallization begins.
The syrup enters the crystallizer, where sugar crystals begin to form.
Controlled mixing ensures the crystals grow at the right size. Crystals begin to emerge inside the concentrated syrup. The syrup thickens as more crystals develop inside.
This thick mixture, known as magma, is ready for separation.
The crystal-rich mixture is held briefly before centrifuging.
Lab analysis ensures the crystals match quality standards.
The mixture is blended thoroughly before spinning begins. Heavier syrup separates and flows into a different collection area.
The technician prepares the centrifuge to separate crystals from syrup. The centrifuge spins at high speed to separate sugar crystals from syrup.
Molasses drains away through the centrifuge's perforated walls.
The remaining crystals form wet raw sugar inside the centrifuge.
Separated sugar crystals exit the centrifuge clean and ready for drying.
Several centrifuges work together to handle large volumes efficiently.
The extracted molasses is collected separately for further use. A worker checks the crystal texture to ensure proper separation.
Residual syrup continues draining after each spin cycle. The crystals tumble to remove remaining moisture evenly.
A final filtration removes smaller crystals before drying.
Cooling fans maintain stable temperatures for the refining equipment.
Steam vents safely release pressure from the evaporators. This thick byproduct is agitated before being separated further. Residual paste is pressed and separated for further processing.
A technician inspects liquid clarity to verify proper filtration.
Monitored pipelines ensure consistent and safe liquid transfer.
The liquid is transferred into large vats for controlled mixing. The concentrated syrup thickens further as moisture continues to reduce. Mixers keep the syrup uniform before crystallization resumes. Boiling syrup is cleared of foam to keep the mixture pure. The mixer creates a controlled vortex to maintain syrup consistency. Boiling intensifies as syrup reaches crystallization levels. The syrup forms a heavy, falling sheet as its density increases. Real-time monitoring ensures every step stays within safe limits.
Even small droplets reveal how the mixture reacts under heat.
Crystals grow slowly as the solution cools and stabilizes.
The formed crystals are inspected for size and uniformity.
Slurry mixtures are blended to ensure proper moisture distribution. The syrup spins to separate heavier and lighter components. The syrup crystal mixture moves forward for final separation. The auger transports dense mash to the next processing stage.
Inside the tanks, refined sugar crystals begin to take shape. Close-up analysis helps confirm the purity of crystal formation.
Operators adjust controls to maintain perfect processing conditions.
Vibrating screens help remove leftover moisture from the crystals.
Golden paste byproducts are separated and collected for reuse. The rotating drum polishes the sugar crystals to perfection.
This leftover syrup is collected separately for other products.
Multiple centrifuges handle high-capacity crystallization loads. The centrifuge completes one of the final separation steps of the process. Hot air dries the sugar crystals evenly. Cooling stabilizes the crystals before packaging. Pneumatic systems transport sugar without contamination. Finished sugar is stored in sealed silos.
Precise weighing ensures accurate packaging.
Machines fill and seal sugar bags hygienically. Each pack is coded for tracking and safety. Robots handle packing with speed and accuracy.
Boxes are sealed and prepared for transport. Packed sugar moves into warehouse storage. Large warehouses store sugar before distribution.
Trucks are loaded for nationwide delivery.
The sugar begins its journey to markets.
Retail centers receive and sort sugar supplies.
Sugar reaches store shelves, ready for customers. Consumers choose sugar for daily use.
The final product enters the household. Pure crystals reflect a long journey of processing. Sugar adds sweetness to everyday life.
From field to table, sugar completes its journey.